We've included all the links to the products in this video in the description below, so head on down there for all the latest information and pricing.
With its ups and downs, the world is still becoming a better and better place. The best part about that is the fact that we now have access to some of the most amazing inventions and inventions the world has ever seen. With so much to keep up with, it's hard to highlight every cool new thing available to us. But these 10 latest gadgets and inventions you can buy now are the perfect place to start.
10.
If you're all about capturing life's little moments, Osmo Pocket is definitely going to be right up your alley. It's a teeny tiny 3-axis stabilized handheld camera from DJI. Despite its minute size, it has a lot to offer. It is available to compete with much larger cameras without missing a beat. What makes it more convenient than other action cameras is the fact that it's super lightweight and fits neatly into the palm of your hand, so transportation is a breeze. You can simply leave it in your pocket and pull it out when you see something worth capturing. Gimbal stabilization makes for super smooth action shots and stunning still shots with crystal clear images. The camera utilizes 1/2 3-inch sensor to shoot 4K 60 frames per second video at 100 megabytes per second, slow motion video at 1080p with 120 frames per second. The camera also has an 80-degree field of view, and f2.0 aperture, and 140-minute battery life. Using the companion app lets you tap into features like active track, motion lapse, and 3x3 panoramic view. You can really do a lot with this little gimbaled action camera. Advanced options give you complete customization opportunities and post-processing magic.
9.
Ember Travel Mug 2. The second iteration of Ember's Travel Mug, the Travel Mug 2 is all about facilitating an active, on-the-go lifestyle. It's perfectly insulated, allowing you to keep both hot and cold drinks from changing temperature too rapidly, along with having a built-in heater to help you achieve perfect temperature levels and frigid conditions. The Travel Mug 2 uses smart heating tech to keep 12 fluid ounces at the exact temperature you prefer for up to 3 hours non-stop. The mug is easy to clean after use and is totally safe to hand wash. It's water resistant up to 1 meter and incorporates a leak-proof lid design, so you can take it with you even on onerous treks or long camping trips. The lid also lets you drink from any angle you choose and has been engineered for easy cleaning, which is always handy. The touchscreen display makes operation a cinch, and the auto sleep feature can automatically sense when to turn the heater on and off, saving battery life over time. The temperature range can be set from 50 degrees Celsius to 62.5 degrees Celsius, and you can even set temperatures from your phone thanks to the Ember Companion app. The app also lets you save presets for specific drinks, receive notifications when your drink hits optimal temperature levels, and even help you personalize your mug.
8.
Keep's technically all about giving stoners a way to keep their stash readily available, albeit in a discreet and safe way. That said, Keep can be used by anyone who wants to keep little everyday items hidden away and out of reach of your kids or housemates. Keep uses a biometric locking device that lets you open or close it without worrying about other people raiding your stash. Push notifications lets you know if your Keep stash has been moved or opened while you're not around. It has a built-in climate monitoring system to keep your stash in an optimal environment, along with an assortment of sortable mix and match containers for easy access and display. The backlit LED display and LED lighting mean that you can pop open your Keep to grab things in the middle of the night without worrying about turning the lights on and waking other people up. The built-in scale and removable rolling tray are also pretty handy, making Keep the friendly stranger of stash storing solutions, ensuring everything you need is in one place.
7.
Nanoleaf Shapes Hexagon. Nanoleaf Shapes are the world's first modular smart lighting system that also incorporates, as they put it, elegantly unified shapes. Regardless of what emotions that's supposed to stir up, these hexagon lights are pretty cool when it comes right down to it. They're a great addition to any IoT smart home, or they can be used on their own to help you liven up the darker corners of your home. You can arrange your Nanoleaf shapes in a wide variety of patterns or larger shapes, and set them up and watch them go. You can set up a music visualizer for dance parties, or even control the lights and play touch games by tapping on them. Color transitions use layout detect tech to ensure a smooth transition every time. with snap-on mounting systems and included double-sided tape, making setup amazingly simple. Your hexagons can be set up to display any of over 16 million colors, and they work seamlessly with popular voice assistants, IFTTT, Apple HomeKit, SmartThings, and Flick. There are plenty more available integrations that Nanoleaf has set up right out of the box, so be sure to check them all out.
6,
Snoo. The Snoo is a responsive baby bassinet that's all about giving your baby a great night's sleep. It combines gentle rocking motions and soothing white noise sounds to lull your baby into dreamland with minimal fuss. The swaddling straps help keep your baby feeling safe and secure, preventing them from rolling into potentially unsafe positions during the night. If your baby starts to make a fuss, the Snoo kicks back in, rocking them and playing low white noise until they chill out again. The Snoo does this automatically, giving tired parents a well-deserved break. If something does happen that requires their attention, the companion app will alert you, sending push notifications as well as tracking your baby's sleep patterns, giving you sleep reports, and even offering useful tips from Dr. Carp.
5,
Tag Heuer Connected Golf Edition. Watches don't usually feature on these types of lists, but Tag Heuer deserves a shout out for their Connected Golf Edition watch that's technically focused on golf pros, but can be adapted for all sorts of outdoors or otherwise adventurous types. The companion app helps you monitor and track your performance on more than 40,000 courses worldwide, while also tapping you into GPS, GLONASS, Baidu, and QZSS positioning systems. To make full use of its features, which include temperature and weather monitoring, the phone needs to be charged once per day, with a full charge taking around an hour and a half. The watch also measures your vitals, like your heart rate and steps, even giving golfers a complete overview of each hole at a ridiculous amount of courses across the world, giving you the perfect opportunity to strategize like the pros before stepping up to the tee. LARQ Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. Made out of stainless steel for added durability and longevity, this water bottle from LARQ is not just self-cleaning, but also fully insulated and self-purifying. The cap of the bottle contains a UV water purifier that uses UVC LED technology to ensure that the water in your bottle, along with all of its inner surfaces, are free of bacteria, viruses, and other germs. The water purifier works in only 60 seconds, giving you complete peace of mind that you have safe, drinkable water wherever you go. The purifier cleans the water completely, but also keeps odors at bay, avoiding the issue of having to suffer through stale-tasting water. The insulation works just as well as the purifier, keeping cold water cold for up to 24 hours and hot water hot for 12. The purifier uses a rechargeable battery that can be juiced up via a USB cable, allowing for 1 month of regular use on a single charge. The IPX7 rated micro USB charging connector is waterproof, along with the included micro USB to USB charging cable, which gives you peace of mind, knowing that you won't accidentally break your bottle if you accidentally spill something on it.
3,
Meeting Owl Pro. Meeting Owl is the perfect gadget for teams that need to coordinate with each other remotely. It's also an impressive addition to any group meeting in person, with or without team members tapping in from elsewhere. The Meeting Owl Pro has lots of benefits when compared to the standard Meeting Owl, with a 360-degree tri-speaker that's 2 times louder than the original, ensuring everyone present is able to enjoy crisp, clear audio. The Meeting Owl's Pro 1080p 360-degree camera ensures everyone can see everything that's going on in the room, and is happily an additional 2 times sharper than the standard Meeting Owl camera. Both versions of the Meeting Owl can pick up audio without any issues, with the Pro's smart mics having an 18-foot radius audio pickup. The standard Meeting Owl has a 12-foot radius audio pickup, so the Pro absolutely offers a lot more bang for your buck. The Meeting Owl Pro is even enhanced for use alongside Owl Labs' new smart meeting room, allowing any space to be kicked into high gear with an array of powerful features and applications, thanks to the Owl Intelligence System. Both products are plug-and-play via USB 2.0, and they work seamlessly with pretty much all external video conferencing software applications. It can even be run on Ubuntu and other Linux-based operating systems.
2,
Odyssey G9. The Odyssey G9 gaming monitor offers a lot more than any other monitor you've ever owned, blowing the competition out of the water. That is, of course, if you're able to afford one of these technological masterpieces. The Odyssey G9 is Samsung's largest 1000R gaming monitor and is a mind-blowing 49 inches. The NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility also helps to reduce image tearing, stuttering, and screen lag, giving you the best possible quality and performance. The 1000R curvature helps you immerse yourself in whatever you're doing, while also easing neck and back strain over time. With a 1 millisecond response time and infinity core lighting, coupled with Samsung's game mode feature, you'll be a split second ahead every step of the way, giving you an added advantage whether you're gaming or getting down to business. The Odyssey G9 has the screen space of two 27-inch panel screens, and QLED technology offers colors that are 125% more vivid than standard sRGB screens. Finally, the G9's 240Hz refresh rate lets you display up to 4 times and many frames on screen as a traditional monitor. With all that functionality and responsiveness, you'll be able to level up in no time and stay ahead of your competition no matter what you choose to take on.
1.
Solar Paper lets you charge your devices anywhere under the sun and is a fantastic gadget for everyday carry. It's the thinnest and lightest solar charger, letting you easily tuck it away in a notebook, calendar, or day planner. This convenient charger is great for people who spend most of their time on the go, and it's so light that it's barely noticeable. One of the best features is the fact that each Solar Paper charger can be hooked up with additional panels, giving you even more charging power when you really need it. One Smart Paper charger can fully charge an iPhone in around 2.5 hours, with 4 panels kicking out around 1.5 amps, which is on par with what a 10-watt standard Apple wall charger generates. The company behind Solar Paper is hard at work, designing a better version that has 2 USB ports. But one USB port hooked up to the main controller is still awesome for most people. Solar Paper is pretty much universally compatible with any device that recharges via USB, and each kit comes with a set of magnets that you can use to secure your solar panels to any metallic surface. Each panel can also be attached to each other via these magnets while still being able to fold up when they aren't being used. And that's 10 latest gadgets and inventions you can buy now. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they are uploaded. That's it for now.